Here, amidst the succulent fruit, the sleek calico finds a moment of tranquil observation, showcasing the harmony of nature and cultivation. We look for robust root development and consistent green foliage. Each runner must be perfectly formed before we separate it for planting. Every Sweet Scarlet runner is inspected by hand. We only select the ones with robust root systems and uniform foliage.
The soil's uniform texture and deep color indicate meticulous preparation, while the nightcrawler showcases its vitality. We gently cradle the runner and position it precisely. Then carefully fill the soil around the roots, ensuring it is firmly anchored for optimal growth.
The Sweet Scarlet Strawberry plants show strong vegetative growth, with vibrant green leaves in the rich, dark soil. This drip irrigation system delivers water directly to the roots, ensuring minimal waste for our Sweet Scarlet strawberries.
This vibrant green shoot extends across the dark, aerated soil. The runner begins to root at a new node, forming a tiny new plantlet.
Meticulous canopy management ensures proper air circulation and light to the plant's crown. This is crucial for preventing disease and promoting strong fruit development.
A successful vegetative growth phase promises an abundant future harvest for the sweet scarlet crop.
A tiny red-tailed bumblebee gently lands on the flower, collecting nectar and pollen, illustrating the vital role of natural pollinators.
Pull your side tighter over the row markers, like this, like this. Okay, it's covering the blushing ones now.
That's the last row for this pallet.
All right, secure it and let's get the next batch ready.
Here at the facility, the sweet scarlet strawberries undergo a precise destemming process, ensuring maximum integrity and minimal waste. The sweet scarlet strawberries simmer gently, demonstrating the careful reduction process that creates our signature gourmet jam.
To ensure peak quality, our fresh fruit line operates completely separate from the gourmet jam production, as seen here.
The consistent quality and freshness are maintained from patch to product, ensuring they are ready for final delivery.
Watch the clearance on the top pallet. Got it, lining it up now.